Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So the fastest way to enable and disable the Do Not Disturb mode is to wake up the screen by pressing the home button. Then once you see the home screen, the watch face, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will be this icon, the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And to enable the mode, you can simply tap on the icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and you will see the message Do Not Disturb mode enabled, and the icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the home button to go back to watch face, and as you can see on the watch face we have the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And to disable the mode, you simply open the quick panel again, you tap on the icon again, and you will see the message Do Not Disturb mode disabled. The icon will go back to not being highlighted anymore, and if you go back to the watch face, the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode for it to turn on automatically and turn off automatically at specific times. And to do that, you need to open the settings. So press the home button twice to open the menu, then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it, of course, and in settings find the option called preference. And once you find it, tap on it, and here look for the Do Not Disturb, and once you find it, of course, tap on it to enter. And here we can turn on and off the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the switch, but as you can see we have also the schedule option, and we can turn it on, tap on the check mark, and to edit the schedule you need to tap on the option itself. It will bring you to this menu, and here you have the start and end. Basically start is the time on which it will be turning on, and end is when it will be turning off. And we can tap on start, adjust it. We have the hours and the minutes, so I'm gonna set it to something like maybe 10:30 p.m. like this, tap on the check mark. Then we have the end time, and I'm gonna set it to something like 7:30 a.m. Okay, and then tap on the check mark. And then we can swipe right to go back, and as you can see my schedule will be working between the 10:30 and 7:30 a.m. And basically it will turn on at 10:30 p.m. and turn off at 7:30 a.m. And of course you can also turn off the schedule if you don't want to use it anymore. Let's press the home button to go back to watch face, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.